Hey everyone, this is Karen Waksman, founder of Retail MBA. Today we're going to be talking about American greetings. If you have a great product that you think would be perfect for their stores, this little training will give you some things to think about in regards to American greetings. With that said, let's get started on today's training. Most people think of cards and holiday gift them cards and so forth, but the truth is it can be amazing for people who have gift items. So please don't ignore the fact that they have so many different types of products in their stores. They don't just have cards. If you have a great gift product, they have so many different types of products in their stores today, and it's definitely something to consider. So again, I try and teach people how to go after as many retailers as possible and how to go after these chain stores to make serious money with their product. And so sometimes retailers are great because all of your competitors are not thinking about selling your product to them. So if you have a great gift item, I would highly recommend exploring. Now, the other thing I want to mention is that they have corporately owned stores, right? So just like other retailers where corporately owned, they have stores that they own and so forth. And they also actually have individually owned stores, which basically means the store owner, the person who owns that store, an individual store, actually can buy for that individual store. The reason I mention that is because they have corporate buyers, and then there are some stores that you can go to and seriously just get in your car, go to those stores, talk to the person who owns that store or the store manager and see if you could potentially get your product into that individual store. So that's a little bit different than some other retailers where they're only corporately owned retail stores. There are people who own individual stores. And so for those, you could seriously actually just go there and see if the individual store owner would be willing to put your product into their store. And ultimately, you still get the brand recognition of selling your product, but it is for an individual store, not for all of their stores. So that's something to consider as well. Anyways, I hope that provided value for you. Again, this is Karen with Retail MBA. Please be on the lookout for the additional retail videos that I create. And if you'd love to learn exactly how to approach, pitch, and sell to chain store retailers, please take a look at the link below. I have a Retail MBA training program that's powerful, and it'll walk you exactly how to do that and how to get started today. Thanks so much.